Hello, welcome to the at-home math lesson for October 27th, 2020. Today we're going to be working on division using base 10 blocks. So if you come into Canvas and go Canvas Math and go to modules, you'll see there is a 10, 20, 7, 20 lesson, and you'll want to click on the link for base 10 blocks with break and join. When it loads, it will want to load in a new window, so you have to click a second button. And then we're going to do, as an example, we're going to do 315 divided by 5. Of course, we need it to load to do that. And it always loads slowly when I'm recording. So there's something about the recording that makes it take longer. The computer's probably already busy recording the video. All right. Oh, no, we're going to do 115. I am so sorry. 100. Okay, so we've got, that makes, 100. Then we have 10. And we need 5 more. So I'm going to throw 5 up here and then scoot them over here. So this is 115. Sorry that I misspoke earlier and said 315. That would just take us a lot longer. So we're going to do divided by 5. So that means we need to put these into 5 groups. So I'm going to start with my ones. And we'll have one group here, one group here, one group in the middle, group 4, and finally group 5. All right, so now I've got to take the 10 and divide it up, and obviously I can't do that the way my screen is now. So down here at the bottom, we have the ability to, whoops, that's bringing up a different menu. That could be a problem. This button will break apart pieces, and this part will join pieces. We want to take this 10, and we're going to have to trade it in for 10 ones, and luckily we have a nice handy little button that lets us do that very quickly. So I've got my 10 rod highlighted, and I'm going to press the break pieces button. So now they are all separate, and I can start putting them into groups. So since there are 10 pieces and I have 5 groups, I automatically know I can, whoa, why aren't they actually broken apart? Okay, so you have to click on them to get them separated. All right, so I'm going to put 2 in my first group. I'm going to move, let me shift. And yes, if you hold down shift, it'll let you move more than one at a time, which is helpful. So I click the first one, then I hold shift and click the second one. And then that gives us the third group. Let's put these 2 in the fourth group. And finally, the last 2 in the 5th group. Okay, similar situation. We've got this 100 flat, and we can't split it among 5 pieces the way it is now. So we need to break it into separate sections as well. So I think we'd be able to get a whole 10 rod in each group. So I'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, and look, we have 5 left. So that means we have enough to put 1 more in each group, which is going to work out fabulously. So I'm putting 1 in the 5th group, 1 in the 4th group, 1 in the 3rd group. It doesn't matter what order you go in. 1 in the 2nd group, and finally 1 in the 1st group. So now I'm going to use my equation tool, and I'm going to say 115 divided by 5 equals, so our product, if we put this into 5 groups like we did, our product would be how many are in each group. So I can look at this third group here, and I can see that I had 2 10s, which would be 20, plus 1, 2, 3, which would be 23. So 115 divided by 5 equals 23, and it puts it on there. So this is how you can use this website to solve a division problem. Now your actual assignment, I'm going to go ahead and close this. Your actual assignment is back over here in that module. It's in Canvas Math Modules, and it's under the same date, 10/27. And I have put some problems on there. Once it loads, I'll show you. All right, so it's this division word problems 3 by 1. And so what I want you to do is open that file. And I want you to pick 3 of them and use the, once you've got it open, go ahead and use the website that we used before to model how to solve those problems. So you'll take whatever your total amount is, build that number of base 10 blocks, and then break it into however many groups the word problem is asking for. So you need to make sure you do 3 and then put that into your math notebook, and I'll be able to see it from there. Thank you so much.